Ready, start. This is precisely what the directive principles of state policy, the United Nations Convention and the RPWD Act abhor. Full stop. Even otherwise, we find that the report of the five members has not set out any reasons and does not indicate as to how the functional assessment of the appellant was carried out. Full stop. No doubt, it mentions that a functional assessment was carried out, but the five members are completely silent on how the appellant failed in the functional assessment test. Full stop. Obviously, they felt shackled by the double inverted both hands intact, full stop, double inverted close theory, which we have discarded, relying on the Union of India's directive as approved in Omkar Ramchandra Gond within bracket Supra bracket close full stop. Accepting the report of five members and denying the admission of the appellant would be upholding the theory of ableism, which we are not prepared to do. Full stop. Like in Om Rathod within bracket Shupra bracket close the report of Dr. Satyendra Singh who was also a member of the board appointed pursuant to our direction elaborately considers the functional assessment and gives detailed reasons to conclude as to how the appellant can successfully navigate the MBBS course with clinical accommodations and assistive technologies. Full stop. The report also indicates as to how the choice should be left to the appellant after completing the MBBS course to decide whether he wishes to specialize in a non-surgical or medical branch or continue as a general duty medical officer. Full stop. The report rightly sets out as to how, at this stage, one should not assume incompetence. Full stop. The report of Dr. Satyendra Singh is similar to the report provided by the said doctor in Om Rathod within bracket Supra bracket close full stop. Having set out the legal position governing the situation, we have no hesitation in concluding that the report of the five members of the All India Institute of Medical Sciences cannot be the basis to deny the appellant's admission to the MBBS course. Full stop. Firstly, the report does not satisfy the test laid down in Omkar Ramchandra Gond within bracket Supra and Om Rathod within bracket Supra bracket close full stop. The functional assessment as contemplated in the set two judgments is not borne out by the report of five members full stop. Secondly, as mandated are required in both Omkar Ramchandra Gond within bracket Supra bracket close and Om Rathod within bracket Supra bracket close regions have not been assigned by the five members of the board for denying the appellant his right to pursue the MBBS course full stop. Thirdly, the need to assess beyond the quantified disability and the need to opine whether the individual with a disability aided by modern scientific tools and devices can enter the MBBS program has not been fulfilled by the five members of the board. Full stop. This is apart from the fact that the five members of the board have recorded statements in the nature of disclaimers as set out herein above. Full stop. While we are conscious that courts are not expert bodies in the matters of medicine, as held in Om Rathod within bracket Supra bracket close, courts have the jurisdiction to ensure that the manner in which the board proceeds and functions are in compliance with the established principles of law. Full stop. We will only add that it is not just a question of jurisdiction of the court but a duty cast upon the court. Semicolon, since it is the courts which enforce the fundamental rights. Full stop. For all these reasons, we reject the report of the five-member board. Full stop. Like in Om Rathod within bracket Supra, Dr. Satyendra Singh, the member of the board has furnished a separate report, that fulfills the parameters laid down in Omkar Ramchandra Gond within bracket Supra bracket close and Om Rathod within bracket Supra bracket close full stop. We find that the report of Dr. Satyendra Singh satisfies the parameters of the law laid down by this court in Omkar Ramchandra Gond within bracket Supra bracket close and Om Rathod within bracket Supra bracket close full stop. It makes a detailed individual analysis of the case and makes a functional assessment semicolon. It states elaborate reasons and it suggests measures for providing clinical accommodation and assistive technology full stop. Above all, comma, the conclusion of Dr. Satyendra Singh that incompetence to pursue the MBBS course cannot be presumed at the threshold stage, comma, on the facts and circumstances of the present case, comma, appeals to us for the reasons set out here in above full stop. For the aforesaid reasons, comma, we accept the report of Dr. Satyendra Singh and confirm the admission granted to the appellant by our order dated 12/12/2024 in the Government Medical College, comma, Sirohi, comma, Rajasthan. Full stop. Before we part, comma, there is one important aspect which needs to be considered. Full stop. In the judgment of 15/10/2024 in Omkar Ramchandra Gond within bracket Supra bracket close, a direction was given to the National Medical Commission to issue revised regulations and guidelines in suppression of the guidelines of 13/5/2019 with regard to admission of students with specified disabilities under the RPWD Act with respect to the MBBS course full stop.